Yeah, hi, good morning. So we will continue yesterday's program. So yesterday we done up to certain things right in this form example. So yesterday in this we done that we created a common property in themes and we added that in XML site. So some of the other things are pending. So that we will see here now. Wait, once this project has loaded, let's see. So this is the one, right? So here we added this. So once let load this so that we can. Yeah, so this is the one we create. Right now here, this has some warnings. So see, these all are the warnings. So where the text field is there, in everywhere text and hint, so it is showing some warning. So what is that warning? So even this text also we used to create from here res value strings. So here we has to create a here we used to create string and that we need to call there. This is always this is the standardized. So we must follow this standard only. So string name equal to, so this is the key. So this is title. This is the value, whatever it is displayed. So that is form example. So I created like this here, right? So this now we will call here in activity here. So this I'll remove this. So here I'll add this. So that is at the rate string so title. Right. So you can see now whatever the text we given there that has came here. Okay, form example like this. So for every place we used to write this. So hint, this hints also we can change. So that we can add one way. Other way is from this here itself also directly we can add. See here now. So it is showing when you put cursor there, it is showing some. So from here now, extract string resource. So I'm clicking on extract string resource. So this is the name and this is the value. See in a strings.xml, it is created one, right? Like that, I can create for all other whatever we have here. So for other also I create here now. So that see now it is showing the 36 warnings. So while we are doing here one by one, it will reduce the warnings here. You can see. So text password, extract string resource, number password, extract string resource, email, extract string resource. See now this count is reducing. Means if you create these files without any warnings, then that can be the proper. See almost done. I'll create next 2 or 3. So almost it is done. So 18 now 18 warning. So after this we will write a validation kind of thing for this. the number decimal. Even for button also we'll write this. For this, you can see here in a text strings.xml, see all the strings are created like this. Right. So then here now, still it is showing some more warnings here for edit text. So around 15 is there. So what is that warning here? We will see. So it is expecting the set autofills. No. So now it is clear and it is reduced to 13. Right. Now copy this line and this we can paste everywhere for every edit text. So that can be in 0. For this, it is missing that extract string resource. So for this text autofill we will give. So still 5 warnings are there. Once it is done, so where it is showing, more to it is showing here. Okay. So we used the data binding, right? So this came to next up on there. So it can remove here. Means either you can keep there or you can keep here. Anything. So that we used on the top. So I'm removing here bottom so that it will be clear on the without warnings. See here now, it is showing without warning, right? So this file is everything is clean. Like this, you have to create every project. Whenever we create a project, like practice purpose, it is okay. But whenever you are doing in a real-time project, must your file should be like this. Right, then we can say has the proper this means here for this we use the different resources, right? One is the strings. To create a strings in a themes we created a common styles. From the colors we created a colors, and the drawable folder we created a border. Like other bitmap folder we use that is for somewhere not for this project, but somewhere that we use it for the images, right? So these are the resources we will use. Apart from this, some of the other resources also we use or like animation creation, those things also we'll use, but those we will use later in a stage, right? When we do animation kind of thing that we will do. But now I want uh, validation. So what is validation? So as a user, I'm clicking this button right now. Without typing the text also, if you click, it will work, right? But I have, like, if it is user has selected that, then only I want to allow that. Otherwise, I'll say that please enter this text, like that kind of. How to manage that we will see here now. So for the same project, it in like we have already the edit text, right? So here we will try here. So here, once user has clicked on this, now here what I'm doing here is uh, initially here on the top, I'm creating one key, that is where is all fields checked equal to false. So initially I'm treating that is all fields checked is false, means it is empty, right? Is all fields checked as false. Here now I'm checking here condition is all, all fields checked equal to, so I'm defining check all fields. So these are my defined fields. So if you want, you can create something also, no problem. So check all fields, like I'm creating here, check all fields, right? So if is all fields checked, is all fields checked, means it is the Boolean value, right? So it will take default here, it is true, right? So this we can put before this listener. Okay, so this is the Boolean. So is all fields checked. Then what happens? This will enter into this loop and it will give this toast, right? So else, yeah. Oh, sorry, no need to write here. Else automatically it will execute the other method, that is other field check this method. This method will execute automatically. So with this name, now I'll create one function here. So private function, right? Check all fields. So that is Boolean. That is Boolean. Right. So here now I'm writing here finding dot. So let us check one by one. So binding dot, first edit text binding dot text dot length equal to 0. So in case this first one, like text name. So what is the name field in case if it is the text name? So here we will add, that is binding dot what is that, edit text text, right? Edit text text dot set error. So we will set an error. So set error, please enter name. So I'll add please enter name, right? So then here now we'll give return false, return false, right? So this is one done. Next we used to add one more. So let me copy this. So second here we will write for something mobile number. So edit text phone. So if it is 0, please enter mobile. So here it is edit text phone, right? So here now I want to write one more case for this mobile number. Else, so sorry, else if here we'll add one more condition. So that is binding dot. So edit text mobile dot the length. So here we are writing the length, same length not equal to 10, right? So length not equal to 10. So in case it is length not equal to 10, I'll write again some validation, right? So here again I write this binding dot binding dot. So edit text phone dot set error, set error. There I'll write this mobile number must be 10 letters. Mobile number must be 10 letters. So like this, we can add for validation for all the fields. So this is the way. If we have more than one condition, we can add here more than one condition. If it is only one condition, so you can add here one condition, right? So after that here, so this all cases are possible. So it is expecting that it is a Boolean case, right? Return, you need to give the return here. Once it all cases are executed, then it will come here true. So this is like this, right? One more press. Right. So now I'm running this. We will see here. Just I added for two. Like this, you can add for the multiple. See here, once this is installed, we will see this. It will go to next step. So now I'm clicking on this. See, it is showing here. Please enter. So then I click on this. Okay, here we forgot to return false. So I'm rerunning the application. We will see. See now it is showing an error. Please enter name. So I enter the name. Then I click on here. Why it is not showing here? The text form. Whatever we created, it is correct only. Then why it is not showing? There we've written false, it is correct. Is all is set. So even toast is also not displaying, means here somewhere it is edit text font, edit text font. Zip binding dot. Okay, sometimes it will not update app properly. So I uninstalled app in mobile. Let's rerun so that we can check. So I'm rerunning the application. We'll see once it is installed. No, 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 it is not. Wait, wait, I have this program. We'll see here. There we will write any mistake here. So three for edit text validation. We check all fields. The Boolean. We write the save everything. Then why it is. Let's do one thing here. This also will write within our click listen. We will see the final try results. See, now it is installing. So it's not giving completely. Oh, yes, we should write outside to be right inside of this. Okay, let's try now. See, now it is installing. Now I'm clicking this. So here it is came. Yeah, now it came. See here. So now I entered 2 digits and I'm submitting this. So it is saying that please enter 10 digit. 4, 5, 6, 7. So 4, 6, 9, 10. So like this, it will come the validation. Up to 10 digit, it will take the validation. So this is about the validations. Right. So with this, the basic Android component has completed. So in next class, we will concentrate on indents, like how to move from first page to other page. So those things we will see, and that it will come like a validation kind of things also, like activity life cycle, service life cycle. So those component life cycles also will cover. So that topic will be continued for 3 to 4 days. So that we will see in our next class.